In 1931, a small explosion in Manchuria would set off a chain reaction that shook East Asia and exposed the weakness of international diplomacy. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the key events that led to the Second Sino-Japanese War and eventually World War II, the Japanese invasion of Manchuria, and how the world tried and failed to stop it. It all began on September 18, 1931. A minor explosion damaged a section of railway track near Mukden, or Shenyang, in northeastern China. The South Manchuria Railway was operated by Japan, and within hours, the Japanese military used this as justification to launch a full-scale invasion of Manchuria. The attack was actually staged by the Japanese Kwantung Army, a rogue faction acting without direct approval from Tokyo. But the result was the same. Japanese forces swiftly overran Chinese troops and occupied the entire region. By early 1932, Japan had installed a puppet state called Manchukuo, placing the last emperor of China, Puyi, at its head. This was clearly a violation of China's sovereignty. But what could the world do about it? China immediately appealed to the League of Nations, hoping for an international response. The League sent a commission led by British diplomat Lord Lytton to investigate the situation. After months of investigation, the Lytton report concluded that Japan had acted unlawfully. The League officially rejected Manchukuo's legitimacy, but stopped short of imposing real consequences. At the same time, the United States, under Secretary of State Henry L. Stimson, issued its own response. In January 1932, he declared the Stimson Doctrine, stating that the U.S. would not recognize any territorial changes achieved through force. This policy was rooted in the Kellogg-Briand Pact of 1928, which outlawed war, and the Nine-Power Treaty, which protected China's sovereignty. But like the League, the U.S. offered no real enforcement. In 1933, after being condemned by the League, Japan simply walked out, signaling its rejection of international authority. With no meaningful resistance from the West, Japan continued its expansion across China, setting the stage for deeper conflict in the Pacific, and eventually World War II. The invasion of Manchuria revealed the fragility of global institutions and the growing power of militant nationalism. It was a warning, one the world didn't heed until it was too late. If you enjoyed this look into one of history's pivotal moments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a story. Thanks for watching.